In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the disk structure is corrupted and unreadable error on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's start the video. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now in the command prompt window, type the following command provided in the video description. Replace X with the letter of the corrupted disk. Mine is D drive. After that, press enter to run the command. The system will begin scanning and repairing the drive. This may take some time depending on the size of the disk and the severity of the corruption. Once completed, restart your computer and check if the error is resolved. After restarting the computer, open File Explorer, go to this PC, right click on the corrupted disk and select Properties. Navigate to the Tools tab, then click on Check under Error Checking. Click on Scan Drive and that's it. As you can see, my drive is successfully scanned and no error were found. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leaving the like.